you were right direct. I couldn't get you on the, Jack, I couldn't get you on the SDR, but you were right direct, so maybe we can use it anyway. And you said you went down there a little bit, I forgot to put a switch on there, so, yeah, Blake, so you will be number 6, Meredith number 7, and Rich number 8, Roger.
Where'd he go, buddy? You want a treat? It's a duck. It's your favorite duck. Need to brush your teeth. Brush your teeth first. Kilo 0, Papa, India Radio. Roger, roger. The park is 4449, 4449, over.
Got the 4449. Let me see something here, by the way. Got it. Richard, you are about a 53, 53 in the kilo, 4274 in Wisconsin, Utah.
Okay, got the 4274, and you're also 53. Thanks for the contact and good luck. 0 Papa India Radio Mobile.
Kilo 0 Papa Radio India Mobile. You're 59 here at the ship in Tampa, Florida. Name on this end is Rick Romeo India Charlie Kilo. Go ahead.
Okay, yeah, the call sign is Kilo 0 Papa Italy Radio, K0PIR. And the name here is Rich, Romeo India Charlie Hotel. And I just tuned on to your frequency. I missed the call. Give me your call again, over.
Alright, the call sign here is Whiskey Victor. Boy, if I only knew. Whiskey for Victory. We're aboard the American Victory ship, a World War II ship, floating in Tampa Bay, Florida. Special event station for Veterans Day. And my name is Rick, Romeo India Charlie Kilo. Go ahead.
Okay, fine business, Rick. Good signal into Alabama. I'm at not a state park, but a parks on the air, and it's a national forest here. And the park number is Kilo 4449. And I appreciate the contact. Thanks for getting me in the log. Back to you, Rick. The name is Rich, Romeo India Charlie Hotel. Rich, over.
Okay, Rich, you said that before, but I neglected to write it down, so I'm getting all around here. I'm going to have to take a break soon. Anyway, you sounded good here. You parked the station here. We wrote down the numbers and all that, so you're in the logbook here, Roger?
Roger, roger, Rick. Thanks for getting me in the log, and good luck with the special event. I'll listen along for a little bit. Whiskey 4 Victor, K0PIR Mobile.